Okay, let's proceed. Number 10. A farmer says a new fertilizer increases yield. Which hypothesis tests the claim? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to current yield. And then H1, mu is greater than the current yield. Letter B, HO, mu is greater than the current yield. And then H1, mu is equal to the current yield. Letter C, HO, mu is equal to the current yield. And then H1, mu is not equal to the current yield. And then letter D, HO, mu is equal to current yield. And then H1, mu is less than the current yield. Number 11. A university states 80% of graduates get jobs in 6 months. Which hypothesis tests if the rate is less? Letter A, HO, P is 0.8, and then H1, P is less than 0.8. Letter B, HO, P is equal to 0.8, and then H1, P is greater than 0.8. Letter C, HO, P is not equal to 0.80, and then H1, P is equal to 0.8. Letter D, HO, P is less than 0.8, and then H1, P is equal to 0.8. Number 12. A clinic claims a drug lowers blood pressure by 12 millimeters mercury. Which hypothesis tests the claim? Letter A, null hypothesis, mu is equal to 12. Alternative hypothesis, mu is greater than 12. Letter B, null hypothesis, mu is greater than 12. Alternative hypothesis, mu is equal to 12. Letter C, null hypothesis, mu is less than 12. And then the alternative hypothesis, mu is equal to 12. Letter D, null hypothesis, mu is not equal to 12. And then H1, mu is equal to 12. Number 13. A soft drink claims 8 grams sugar per serving. Which hypothesis tests if content is greater? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 8. H1, mu is greater than 8. And then letter B, HO, mu is equal to 8. And then H1, mu is less than 8. Letter C, HO, mu is not equal to 8. And then H1, mu is equal to 8. Letter D, HO, mu is greater than 8. And then H1, mu is equal to 8. Number 14. A mall claims daily visitors average 5,000. Which hypothesis tests if the average is different? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 5,000. H1, mu is not equal to 5,000. Letter B, HO, mu is equal to 5,000. And then H1, mu is greater than 5,000. Letter C, null hypothesis, mu is equal to 5,000. Alternative hypothesis, mu is less than 5,000. Letter D, HO is not equal to 5,000. And then H1, mu is equal to 5,000. Number 15. A bank claims loan approval takes 3 days. Which hypothesis tests if it takes longer? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 3, and then H1 is greater than 3. Letter B, HO, mu is equal to 3, and then H1, mu is less than 3. Letter C, HO, mu is greater than 3, and then H1, mu is equal to 3. Letter D, HO, mu is not equal to 3, and then H1, mu is equal to 3. Number 16. A teacher says average exam score is 70. Which hypothesis tests if students scored higher? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 70, and then H1, mu is greater than 70. Letter B, HO, mu is equal to 70, and then H1, mu is less than 70. Letter C, HO, mu is less than 70, and then H1, mu is equal to 70. And then letter D, HO, mu is not equal to 70, and then H1, mu is equal to 70. Number 17. A shoe company claims shoe lasts 2 years. Which hypothesis tests if they last less? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 2. And then H1, mu is less than 2. Letter B, HO, mu is equal to 2. And then H1, mu is greater than 2. Then letter C, HO, mu is less than 2. And then H1, mu is equal to 2. Letter D, HO, mu is not equal to 2. And then H1, mu is equal to 2. Number 18. A coffee shop claims customers drinks 2 cups per visit. Which hypothesis tests if the average is not equal? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 2. H1, mu is not equal to 2. Letter B, HO, mu is greater than 2. And then H1, mu is equal to 2. Letter C, mu is less than 2. And then H1, mu is equal to 2. Letter D, HO, mu is not equal to 2. And then H1, mu is equal to 2. Number 19. A streaming service claims 60% prefer action movies. Which hypothesis test if fewer prefer? Letter A, HO, P is 0.60, H1, P is less than 0.6. Letter B, HO, P is equal to 0.6, and then H1, P is greater than 0.6. Letter C, HO, P is not equal to 0.6, and then H1, P is equal to 0.6. Letter D, HO, P is less than 0.6, and then H1, P is equal to 0.6. Number 20. A hospital states recovery time averages 14 days. Which hypothesis tests if recovery takes longer? Letter A, HO, mu is equal to 14. H1, mu is greater than 14. Letter B, HO, mu is equal to 14. H1, mu is less than 14. Letter C, HO, mu is not equal to 14, and then mu is equal to 14. Letter D, HO, mu is greater than 14, and then H1, mu is equal to 14. The answer key for our quarter 4, data and probability, lesson Roman numeral number 8, formulating null and alternative hypothesis. So, numbers 1 to 5. Okay, numbers 6 to 10. Okay, and then numbers 11 to 15. Numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery.